Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 5th of February, 2023. Today's video is going to be about Bitcoin. I wanted to come in because since my last video, which was produced on the 24th of January, I've seen increases in selling. I've noticed that over the last couple of days that the market selling has increased. So I wanted to come in and speak to you all because I don't want no one to come in and get wrecked, because I know that the overall price action in the market in Bitcoin for the month of January was very positive. Like, we saw the market completely run up, and I think it caught a lot of people off guard. And I think many people still think that the market in Bitcoin is still going to go up. So real quick, let me break down what I think the market's going to do next. All right. So first of all, let's go ahead and look at the chart, and you guys can see that this price prediction was created right here on the 24th of January. I was eyeing the market going higher, and I even told you all that that $24,400 price level could be seen as resistance. That is exactly where the market in Bitcoin topped out on the 2nd of February. So I'm not surprised. Like, we should have already known that that particular price level could impact the buyers, meaning stop them in their tracks from trying to lift the price up. This is what this day represents on the 2nd of February. The volume also came in on that particular day, and since that day of the 2nd of February, look at what price has done since then. Like, the market has gone down. Like, we're not seeing buyers interested in Bitcoin at those prices. That's telling me that the market is definitely increasing its probability of going down. So hopefully you was able to grab some of that profit into the market of Bitcoin around 24,400. You guys can see that it's around 6.5% right here at the top right portion of the screen. But now let's see what we have. I want to look at this on a 2-day chart, and the market definitely is showing us some weakness. Now, this is going to be real important, very important over the next 2 to 3 days, that buyers come back into the market, because they're not here yet. Now, right here on this 2-day price bar was indication that buyers were back into the market, right? Now, they was able to lift price to that $24,400 price that I just mentioned was resistance. They was able to bring the price to there, but now we're coming right back down. We need to see them in order for price to continue to go higher. And as of right now on the 2-day chart, we're seeing weakness. Even here on the current 3-day price bar, we have 7 hours and 25 minutes left. We would like to see the market on the conclusion of this 3-day price bar close up here at the high of the bar. But right now, we're down, almost down 1% in Bitcoin. Here it is on the 5-day chart as well. The completion of this 5-day price bar also tells us that sellers came into the market. So it seems to me like the steam is running out of the ship for Bitcoin from this massive move higher. Look at this on the weekly chart as well. Okay, so the week prior to this current weekly price bar, we saw a pretty good move, right? The market went up. Well, now we're seeing price come back down. In the next 7 hours and 24 minutes, we do not want to see the price close on the low of this weekly price bar. We do not want to see that, because if we do, Bitcoin is going to continue to go lower. Okay, so let me look at this on the 3-hour chart. And you guys can tell even here on the 3-hour chart that we're not necessarily seeing any indications that buyers are coming to the market. We're definitely trending down. The market is trying to find buyers, and as of right now, it hasn't found them. And it's going to continue to go lower and dip until it finds the buyers. Okay, here it is on the 1-hour chart. And again, we're not really seeing too much in terms of volatility. I mean, the market has just simply consolidated, right? So this is where we really need to see buyers. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, we want to see buyers approach the market in Bitcoin right here. Okay, it looked like it's around $22,400, give or take. Right there. I'll even take it up here. So these two areas, 22,500 is one area. 22,300 is the second area. If we don't see the buyers at those two levels, we're going to come all the way back down to this particular range here to where the market was in balance. Okay, I'm just trying to get everyone prepared for this, because the market currently is not showing us any indication that it's strong right now. Okay, so the question is, should we go ahead and get rid of this price prediction, which we already have on the chart, and play the market move to the downside? What do you think? What should we do? Because from what I'm seeing, I'm going to have to do just that. Now, let me go ahead and cut this out. If you guys wasn't able to get that 6% move on the 2nd of February, if we were to get out the market right now in Bitcoin, we have a minimal profit of about 1%. Cool. We'll take it. If that's what the market is going to offer to us, we'll take it. Now, let's get back to it. We're going to play some slight weakness now. I'm not going to tell you right now that Bitcoin is going to crash. I really wanted to see the conclusion over the next 7 hours and 24 minutes for us to actually see how the price bar ends. But definitely, I don't see any indications of strength. So what we're going to do, we're going to lower or place some ideas that we want to see the market in Bitcoin come towards. The place, the location that we want to see the buyers, all right? So this is my first area right here, $22,750, okay? Right there, $22,750. This is where I'm looking for buyers to appear in the market. That's my first price target. You guys can see that it's around 1.64%. My second price target, like I said, is going to be around 22,400 right there. That's around 3.14%. And then my third one is going to be all the way down here towards $21,600 or $615 right there. Okay. Now, if the buyers don't show up on any of those levels, then we're going to come back all the way down and test this trend line. This is where the market in Bitcoin is going to come back down towards. If it doesn't hold any of those 3 levels that I just mentioned, then my eyes is going to be focused on the market in Bitcoin coming down and testing the trend. All right, so that is it. I'm done. Real quick, to those who are new, you guys appreciate the videos and the content. I'm here to show you how it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to use technical indicators. You don't have to listen to 15 individuals and them drop their opinions as to what Bitcoin is going to do, because many of them tell you both sides of the play. They'll tell you, hey, the market could go up, it could also go down. Like, that doesn't benefit you at all. You want someone who has a keen idea as to what is being displayed on charts and which is the likeliest way that price is going to move. And this is what I do. This is the content that I create without any fear for the FOMO. You find it very interesting that it's possible to do, and you want to learn more, then I do suggest and recommend that you guys subscribe to the channel. For real talk. And also tap that bell notification as well if you guys want to become notified when my videos are produced, so that you can always be ahead of the game. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. If you guys want to try it, there's a comment section is wide open, so you guys can drop your price prediction. I'm looking for this to kind of play out over the next week or so. I would say in the next week, maybe 3 days to a week time frame, to see this market in Bitcoin try to go lower to find the buyers. Give me your thoughts though.